Brendan unboxing today, and we're going to be unboxing some Beyblade stuff. So, this is Beyblade Burst Turbo Slingshot. So, it comes with Wonder Valtryek V4 and Z Achilles A4. So, it also comes with this awesome stadium, which I don't know what it does yet. So, Wonder Valtryek can do, his attack is 0.6, his burst is 5, his defense is 1, his weight is 3, his LG is 8, and his stamina and resistance is 0. But for his Achilles, his attack is 5, his burst is 3, his defense 3, agility 3, and stamina 4. So I think Z Achilles is better than Valtryek, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, and now we're about to open it. I'm gonna build the things to him, and so now we're gonna build these. Now we can test them. Alright, now I'm going to test them. Try to leave it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What? How did that? Whoa. This shall finish. Okay, so we're going to do this again, but this time I moved it like right here. And then it makes it look like this. I don't know what it does, but we're going to try it out, okay? 3, 2, 1, let's go. What the world? What? So, I guess this blue one that Levi was testing, he won 2 times.
I thought this one was going to win, even though I was playing this one.
I mean, it said on the box it was better, but yeah. Shout out to my brother Levi, shout out to my brother Dober, and shout out to my sister Marissa for videoing, and Dober for the like. And shout out especially to my grandma, Mama Dean. She bought this for my birthday, even though my birthday's on Sunday. Early birthday, hashtag early birthday, okay? Yeah, so, yeah, subscribe, like, and comment which one you next.